Alright, welcome back to my channel, my friends. So we will be having a new tutorial now, a new tutorial playlist, and that will be all about the Python programming. So we will going to discuss what is Python, why we need to learn Python, what are the advantages of having the skill of programming using Python, and how Python can help us into our venture going to algorithmic trading. So without further ado, let's start our next video, our next tutorial playlist. Okay, so like what I have said on our intro, we will be having our new playlist of knowledge. Wow! This playlist, my friends, will be all about the Python programming, and this is for complete beginners. And this will be designed in preparation for our venture going into algorithmic trading. Anyway, if you're just new here and you don't know any idea, you don't have any idea with algorithmic trading and you wanted to use Python with other domains, like for example for games and web dev or any applications of Python, still you can relate on our examples. Okay, it just so happens that our examples uses different trading jargons. Anyway, you can still relate the programming side if you are not into trading. But if you're into trading and you wanted to venture into algorithmic trading, we're going to have a robot that can trade for us. It is actually the trend for the trading and the finance industry right now. Then this playlist is actually for you, my friends. Okay, so for this tutorial, again, like what I have said, this is for complete beginners. If you don't have any programming background, that's okay. If this is your first programming language that you will try to learn, then it's okay. No, you can still adopt. Next, this tutorial series is for traders who wanted to venture into algorithmic trading. Those traders who are currently tired of having the manual trades, and I'm really relate on you guys because manual trading is really really annoying at some part because we have actually emotions that affecting our trades. So we're on algorithmic trading, we don't have any emotions. The machines or the algorithms work on itself, and we're just here to monitor, okay, the algorithms and the market, of course. Okay, so this tutorial series is for individuals who is highly interested in financial data science. Actually, I have read a news before like that saying that data science is the 21st sexiest job. The sexiest job of the 21st century, data science. And actually, finance is one of the most in-demand industry right now for data science because we are going into virtual, even the transferring of funds from one bank going to another. The financial technology is really increasing right now, and that's actually the field of financial data science. So if you are the individual who is interested with that field, with that domain, then this playlist is also for you. Okay? And next, this playlist is also for the persons who wants to learn Python and its application in financial markets trading. So regardless of the market that you are trading right now, either you are in the Forex market, in the stock market, in the cryptocurrency market, in the futures market, into commodities market, or any other market, CFDs, ETF, etc., name it, we can apply this. Okay? So next, why learn Python? So let's start our discussion why we should learn Python. First of all, Python is actually one of the famous language right now. Aside to other previous language that is really explored by the programmers like the C, C++, C Sharp, the Java, the PHP, Python is one of the famous language right now. The reason is that it is easiest language to understand. It actually uses practical keywords. No, so these keywords are really can be read and understand by the person who is not a programmer, unlike any other programming languages that they are using actually different codes, different signs and symbols, which is really alien for us, not that good in programming. Okay, so next we should learn Python because of its popularly known for its very short syntax. It is very direct to the point, very short syntax. For example, print hello world. That's it. No, the output will be hello world. That's how short the syntax of Python, and that's how direct to the point the syntax of Python is. Okay, so next we have this fourth reason why we should learn Python, because Python doesn't use semicolon. Wow, nice. Unlike any other programming language. Actually, a lot of my friends, when they forgot semicolon, the program or the codes doesn't run. And it's actually tedious on their part, especially if they are having the time. So they are exerting too much effort and time just to debug, and the reason of debugging is only they forgot a single semicolon. Anyway, so another reason why we should learn Python is because Python is used also in machine learning and artificial intelligence, wherein we are currently living in the world which is the so-called Industry 4.0, wherein machines and robots leads the economy of the world. That's reality. No, even if you don't wanted to embrace the change, the technological change, that's the reality. Machine learning and artificial intelligence leads the world right now, and we can have it, we can adapt on it by having our skill in Python programming. That is actually one of the advantage of Python compared to other programming language, because Python is highly suited also on ML and AI. Okay, and aside to ML and AI, Python is also best suited. It is actually the programming language of choice for algorithmic trading, just like what I have said before on the financial data science. And actually, guys, to be honest, there is a what we call this the programming language especially dedicated for EAs, or what we call the expert advisor. I hope you're familiar with it. That's the automation for trading, but it is for the MT4 software only, and as far as I know, the language is called MQL5. Again, it is called MQL5, and the syntax is somehow, if I'm not mistaken, it is more likely the same with C# or C++, something like that. And as far as I know, it is only applicable with Forex market. Now, the good thing here in Python programming is that it is actually suited for algorithmic trading, not only for Forex market, but rather on other financial markets like cryptocurrencies, futures, name it, it can be done. No? Okay, so those are the reasons why we should learn Python. Actually, in trading, early adopters are mainly hedge funds and big banks. So when we say hedge funds and big banks, these are really the financial institutions that have a lot of money. They have a huge amount of money that any single huge trade from their accounts is actually can move the certain asset. So I think by simply adapting our hedge funds and big banks through the use of Python, it is actually a good sign that we are going in the Python programming really. So I hope you get it. Actually, I have also read a news before, an article. It says there, that's actually the article is the Too Squid to Fail, that is the title, from The Economist last October 29, 2016. It says here that at Goldman Sachs, I hope you're familiar with Goldman Sachs, is one of the best and one of the huge financial institutions right now. The number of people engaged in trading shares has fallen from a peak of 600 traders in the year 2000 to just 2 traders today. So imagine that, my friends, from 600 peak going down to only just 2 today. So meaning that's how big the impact of algorithmic trading is, and it uses Python programming. As you can see, 600 traders going to 2, and that 2 left today, and that's actually last October 29, as of October 29, 2016, those 2 traders left are engineers, wherein their job is just to maintain the algorithm, to check if there's some error in the algorithm, and if if it's still fit with the current market conditions. So something like small manipulation if there's some different events happening in the market. So that's only their job, and they're not having the trades manually na. So the algorithm trades for itself. I hope you get the benefits of having the Python programming, guys, and our goal of applying this Python programming into algorithmic trading. Okay, so those are the reasons why we should learn Python programming. If you learn from this video, my friends, don't forget to like and comment below. Python is the future. Wow. Again, if you learn from this video, comment below on the comment section. Python is the future. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more related contents. And again, this is the Engineer Trader, your partner from learning to earning. See you on our next video upload, and may your trades be great. Bye-bye.